Today's lesson is on quotient of powers property. First, we'll look at dividing powers with the same base. To divide powers with the same base, you're going to subtract the exponents. So for our first couple of problems, we're going to simplify the expression, and then we're going to write our answer as a power. So for number 1, we have 9 to the 7th power divided by 9 to the 4th power. We have the same base and we're dividing, so we're going to subtract our exponents. So we're going to have 9, and then for our exponent we have 7 minus 4, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So my answer would be 9 to the 3rd power, or 9 cubed. For number 2, we have negative 7 to the 9th power divided by negative 7 to the 3rd power. I have the same base, which is negative 7. Don't forget to write that in parentheses, since it's in parentheses in our problem. And then I'll subtract my exponents. So 9 minus 3, and 9 minus 3 is 6. So my answer is going to be negative 7 to the 6th power. And then for number 3, I have x to the 8th power divided by x to the 3rd power, or x cubed. My base is x. Since I'm dividing in this problem, I'm going to subtract my exponents, so 8 minus 3, and 8 minus 3 is 5. So I have x to the 5th power. Now we're going to simplify an expression. We're going to also write our answer as a power like we did in the previous problems. For these problems, we'll be using the product of powers property and the quotient of powers property to solve. So for number 4, I have 2 to the 15th power divided by 2 cubed times 2 to the 5th power. First, I can go ahead and simplify the denominator. Since I'm multiplying and I have the same base, I'm going to add my exponents. So I'll go ahead and keep 2 to the 15th power in the numerator, and then for my denominator I have the base of 2, and I add my exponents, 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8, so this is equal to 2 to the 15th power, and then I have over, or divided by, 2 to the 8th power. Now I'm going to use my quotient of powers property to solve. Since I have the same base, which is 2, I will subtract my exponents, 15 minus 8. And 15 minus 8 is 7. So my answer is 2 to the 7th power. Now for number 5, I have d to the 5th power divided by d, and that is then times d to the 9th power divided by d to the 8th power. So first I can go ahead and use my product of powers property to simplify the numerator and simplify the denominator. So I have d. For my numerator, I'm going to then add my exponents since I'm multiplying, so 5 plus 9. And then for my denominator, I have the base of d again, and I will add my exponents. Since I do not have an exponent here, we can just write a 1, so I have 1 plus 8. When I simplify, I have d to the 14th power, and that is then divided by d to the 9th power. Now I can use my quotient of powers property to solve. So I have d, which is my base, and I will subtract my exponents. So 14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 is 5. So I have d to the 5th power.